Legend has it that if you mention pinball on your late night TV appearance, Stern will send you a pinball machine to unbox. And not just any pinball machine, this is their Dungeons and Dragons pinball machine celebrating 50 years of D&D. And I can't wait to check it out. We got their premium edition. There's 3 different trim levels. And look at this, Region 1. As excited as I am, I do feel a little personally attacked. The box is too tall for me to cut the top, and really, you gotta put that right on the front? I'm not gonna do that. There's special instructions for how to open these. You're supposed to cut the front corner. Ooh.
Is that the right side?
Yeah, I think so.
You're supposed to do the one that says truck from this side.
I saw truck from this side. I missed the do not. I mean, in fairness to me, the truck was in the way. We call this a hand truck. I don't know if that's the terminology elsewhere in the world, but we call it that. New plan, banana strategy. We gotta peel this biz. Aside from Stern's legendary quality, highlights of this set include, wow, the artwork, soundtrack, an incredible cast that includes Michael Dorn as the dragon, what they're calling the most advanced animatronic to ever be included in a pinball machine, not to mention iconic enemies like Xanathar the Beholder and Gelatinous Cube. Apparently the Gelatinous Cube is electromagnetic. It's like a ball trap. I don't know, I haven't tried any of this yet, but I'm very excited too. Belle, I may need some help.
You haven't peeled the only side you need to peel.
Ah! Hey, look at that. Comes with legs and everything. What a value. Oh my goodness, look at this setup guide. It's so thick. Oh, thank goodness, it's just multiple languages. Whew. For those of you who are wondering what makes a pinball machine tech, I didn't realize it either until I saw one of their machines at CES with the backing off, and I was like, damn. Ah, leg bolts. There they are. Let's go. Ooh, everything about this thing just screams quality. Look at that like wrinkled black powder coat finish. I love it. Also, very durable. You can tell it's built for commercial use. Carefully set the game down on its front legs. Game is heavy, 2 people recommended. Again, personally attacked. Oh, it's really heavy. Okay. How the devil are you supposed to put the back legs on it? Oh, right. Ahem. Using supports or 2 people. Prop the rear of the cabinet up to install the rear legs. Oh boy. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look at the cube. The gelatinous cube has a mace in it, and a skull, and a hammer. Remember kids, lift with your back in a twisting, jerking motion. It's more important to get every bolt started than to get any bolt completed right now.
Wow, you're so strong, Linus.
Yeah, you definitely want to have like 2 friends. If you have a pinball machine. I mean, if you can afford a pinball machine, you can probably afford 2 friends. Okay.
You want to switch?
Nope, nope. I just want that bolt in.
See, now I get why Elijah has this weird father thing with you. I'm kind of feeling it right now too.
That dragon, oh, sorry, I got distracted. Oh, okay, I gotta deal with the cable management. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay. How can they put documentation on top of this play surface? Like I'm gonna even be able to see this. That looks incredible. We've got all these different class selections, locations, objectives. One of the most appealing things about this particular game to me is that unlike my 1993 Quarter Stealer design, this one is very focused on gameplay. And not only can you achieve a variety of different endings, but they actually even have like different weekly items and stuff like that. I have no idea how that works. Other than, I guess you have to be connected to the internet for that?
Oh, almost certainly.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, we gotta bolt this on. It comes with a little treasure box with more accessories. This is so much fun. I actually treated myself to a pinball machine for the premium lounge at Smash Champs Badminton Center recently, but because it was an older one, it's a 1993 Twilight Zone machine, I didn't really get the fun of setting it up myself. There they are. Oh, they're very, very greasy. I assume we wipe them down, but you know what? We'll get to those in a minute. No way. A service and operations manual that actually gives you like pinouts on everything and whole schematic and everything? It looks like Stern hasn't forgotten about right to repair. To be clear, they are still the proprietary manufacturer of a lot of the replacement parts you'll need, but at least they give you a manual for how to put it all back together.
Have you actually looked at the side art? It's a dragon riding a dragon.
It's so cool. There's like a golden dragon guy versus like a necro guy. It's like, oh.
Oh, and it's like the Black Knight.
'Tis but a flesh wound. I don't actually D&D. I just think this is really cool and I liked the movie. Mm-hmm. I waited until this point in the video to expose myself as a filthy casual. It says the first page of the manual tells us how many pinballs to put on the play surface.
Yeah, we have the premium one, which means the dragon actually shoots more balls than the base version.
Really?
Maybe it's harder?
Does it say if we should clean our balls before putting them in?
Seems like a good idea.
Well, yeah, but they have, like they're all lubed up, and I thought maybe that's to make them not rust.
It does make it easier for entry.
No, why you gotta make it like that?
What? It has to be able to slide along the rails and stuff, right?
We'll get to these in a second. First, we need to install our plumb bob. So this is just a weight that sits on a little wire that affects how sensitive the machine is to tilt. So the higher up we put it, the more sensitive it is. The lower we put it, the less sensitive it is. So I think tilting is cheating, so I'm gonna put it up pretty high. And it's touching the side of the ring. We are definitely gonna have to level the machine. It is not level. These are both left hands.
You're not left-handed?
I mean, I have one left hand. We're smart, we can figure things out. 8 balls, there it is. We found it. Okay, so the glass should come forward. Nice.
See, painless.
Dude, look at it. Okay, careful, careful, it's on the teeth. There you go. Check this out, you can steal gold from the dragon. And apparently the dragon has an omnidirectional impact sensor, whatever that means. A total of 3 flippers. This is cool. You can activate a shield. So there's 1 ball in here already. Is that just stuck there forever?
Yeah, because you hit it into the other sensor, I think.
Oh, you whack it. Oh, that's so cool.
All right, how do we install these balls?
You just drop them on the play surface, lightly, gently. I mean, it's gonna go hard later. And they just, yeah. You lost. Something I didn't mention is apparently there's roguelike elements to the progression, so you can like character build. Oh. Okay. Oh, setup, right. That makes sense. Oh, sponsor.
Thanks to War Thunder for sponsoring this video. Take control of over 2,500 tanks, ships, and aircraft to wreak havoc on a massive battlefield. War Thunder's true-to-life vehicles, deafening sound effects, and incredibly detailed damage modeling lend to an immersive and comprehensive experience for users of all skill levels. It's available on PC, console, and mobile devices, so you can hop right into the action anywhere, anytime. Download War Thunder for free using the link in the description today.
How do I? Damn, those speakers though. Look at this, Stern knows it. Canada #1. Nice. Okay, that might be a bit much though.
That does sound great.
Scan your Stern Insider. Go to Stern Insider connected.
All right, let's see if I scan this.
Did you just register this to your personal Stern account?
Well, I mean, it's gonna be mine anyways. You broke mine.
I broke nothing. Oh, sick. Yeah, you missed it. I turned it on and it just like fired a bunch of balls up. I think it was preloading them in the Dragon. I think. Oh. Uh-oh.
All right, here you go.
Sick. I found this. Remove shipping material cable ties from playfield bottom side before operation.
Because there's these. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa, buddy.
How far do we need to pull it?
I don't know. I kind of want to check it out now. Woo! No, it's just the balls. Oh.
Clippers?
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh!
Do you have the clippers?
Wow, look at it. Is that beautiful or what? Look at all these custom boards. A couple interesting things. Number one is, check this out. Boom. Got it. We're good. Also, there's a loose cotter pin in there somewhere. Del, can you grab that?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know where that came from, but it's in there. Okay. Cool. Oh, wait. Needs to go down. Oh, that's how I can go up. Perfect. Oh, shoot, they're good. Never mind. No, I don't even need the wrench. They're loose. Okay, how's the bubble doing?
We are all pretty much dead center.
Oh, nice. After all that, perfection. Here we go. We set up automatic software updates, synced Bell's account. Oh my God. Impossible play. Monster play. Dude, there's so many modes. All randomness removed. Just play until powered off. Listen to game music? Okay, normal play.
Tiamat is hatching a new plan to escape her banishment.
Oh, I get to select a character?
Choice.
Okay.
Anya, Frey Curlyfoot, Elenir Weaveheart, Ardor.
Okay, let's go Dragonborn Paladin. I mean, he's on the side of the thing, right? So.
Player 2.
All right, let's see. If you chose
Wait,
that
this
guy-
still says
oh.
player 1 select character.
Oh, I see. I think maybe it's this. It's
Oh.
flashing.
Wait, use right flipper to choose character.
Yeah, and the left is the town.
Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on.
There
What
you
the?
Journey begins
What?
on Oath Agreement.
It went straight down the what the?
go. Pay attention,
What
Linus.
just happened?
She saved it and then you dropped it again.
What the end of ball bonus?
You still got 32,000 points.
Choose the character.
Okay.
Do you wanna try again?
Now you're up.
Okay.
Okay, does this choose the character then?
Yes. Yeah.
Anya,
Okay,
Frey Curlyfoot.
I like Frey Curlyfoot.
sure, go for it.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, we're already doing better.
Kobold.
Nice.
I don't like this game.
Don't forget to activate your shield. Dude, we need to be so much better at this to complete any quests.
It's hard to look at the screen and the table. Like, what just happened?
Something. I heard Michael Dorn though, so the dragon was involved. Oh, I saved my ball. Okay. Okay, I did that again. Wait, I did. Oh, it's a good thing we removed that zip tie.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, I did the thing.
Dungeon crawl.
Dungeon crawl. Let's go. Shoot purple arrows to move forward.
So you're
okay.
going to that ramp, or?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna try.
Ooh.
Come on. No! Come on!
You hate to see it. Okay, wait. How do we activate the dragon?
I think you're.
Oh, yo, the
Oh,
dragon.
here it comes. Shield! Shield's up! I got the shield.
Well, we lost.
Wait, we lost
ball.
one. We lost two. There's more. Wait, there's more. Okay, shield's almost down.
Multi-ball.
Shield's almost down.
This is too many. I gotta say, this is just too many.
No, it's not too many. It's the right number. Let's go. Shield's up. Shield's up. We got this. Okay, we lost a couple. Lost a couple good men there.
This is just insane.
Battle the dragon. Take that, Michael the dragon.
Studded armor of Timor increases luck.
Okay.
I don't know how they do that, but. Oh, the dungeon crawl.
That's not very lucky. Ay! I thought you were gonna get that one, so I didn't activate the shield.
That was stressful. That was just straight up stressful. Oh, what was that? It didn't, don't type ass into the machine.
Real mad about that. Okay, I want to play one more time. Okay, I think my reaction time on the shield could get a little better. I think that's a pretty cool mechanic.
Oh, if you hold it, you fire a ranged weapon.
How many points did you get on that dragon multi-ball?
75 million or something like that? It was crazy. Shield. Well, hey, you tried your best. 69.
A score is a score.
Nice.
Well played. Enter your stats.
I bet you can't do it again.
Subscribe to ShortCircuit. I bet you can't do that again. You actually can't do that again. Unsubscribe.
Please don't unsubscribe.